Welcome to another amazing 5-minute auto pairing. So Al-Khatib. Let's try maybe close Sicilian. So we'll Smith more, a bit of variety. Maybe knight f3 here. Calm knight f3. Can I just take that, trying to open up his king somehow? Maybe c4. And knight h4. Just take on b7 or wait for him to take. Try and weaken his light squares. So c3. I'll take it now. And knight g2 maybe. So what have I achieved? Maybe not much at the moment. Knight e3 to c4, I guess. a5. Knight e3 to c4 could be good. My d3 is a bit of a weakness though, so knight e3 to c4. Oh, he's got knight e5 coming up. That's pretty dangerous. So what about f4? Then bishop e3 on knight e3 after knight e3. Or bishop e3, which one I wonder. Okay, rook d1 for a moment. Maybe takes on a5, yeah, that's a problem as well. What about knight e3 to see rook b3? Oh, he has gone for that. A bit greedy. Okay, so I'll get a knight to c4. Was an attractive knight on c4. Okay, another pawn's biting the dust though. Well, there's knight g4, trying to chase that away. Maybe knight e5 after. h4, h5, I think going for his king seems the logical thing. I'm a pawn down over here. His king doesn't seem as though there's many defenders, so I get a pawn to h6. I'll try something. He's letting me. Okay, I've always got c4. Let's gain a bit of time. Then h6, so d3 isn't going to be dropping off immediately, but I've weakened d4. Whoa! It's let me win the exchange. Maybe I should take that offer. And play h6. Aha. Right. So queen h5. So I've got pressure on c5 potentially. On h6. Why would he want to do that? Oh, his bishop d4. He's going to have a huge knight. Nightmare knight. Great.
Check.
Actually, didn't he have knight d2 there as well? Maybe rook e5 to g5 is good here, if he gives me a chance. Rook e5 or f5. What about f5 for rook e8? Not here though. Coming up now, f5 or rook e5. Knight d4 threatens knight f3. Stops knight f5. Maybe this anyway. Knight f3 I can take on rook g5. Knight f5 though, queen h3 is going to take on g3. And this, yeah, it's a pain. It's been a pain for a while. Do I have to snap that off? Queen g5. Try and win c5 later. Maybe that's an idea in the circumstance. A bit grovelly, but can I win c5 and try and hope to do something there? Maybe this c pawn. Maybe his clock is not that good on the clock. Actually, at least the rook's doing something on e5, attacking that c5 pawn. Well, he's thinking here. It's not so easy. A bit of a perfectionist. I haven't got much choice, have I?
Check.
There's a check here on c8 against knight e4. Try and drag my c pawn. To move the rook to maybe g2. Okay. Rook b5. Knight e4. Rook g2. Try and move the c pawn forward. There's rook b4. Try and win one of these pawns. It's a bit grovelly, the exchange up, but hopeless rooks. That knight's good actually after knight c5, surely. I don't think he has got time to do this, though. Yeah, there's just no time. Yeah. So I'm going to just take this now. Yeah. Okay. Just a bit too slow for 5-minute chess. This isn't so good as a4 apparently. c4, interesting stuff. So if takes, why is white better? Ooh. Knight h4, yes. Ideas on bishop is interesting. Okay, so that justifies. Yeah, this black's better here. Yeah, so I thought I was getting outplayed here. Although he did let me have equality, it's just equality to win the exchange apparently. Near equality. Oh, maybe, okay. Was there a better move there instead of h6? Not really. It's not very good for white, this position. Here. That's bad after knight d2. I thought knight d2 was on there. Notice that after. Weakness of the last move. They're so evident in 5-minute games, weakness of the last move. Knight d2.
Check.
So yeah, he's in the driving seat.
check.
But now, actually, did he miss a trick there? He could have just taken this as better, apparently. Knight e3. Whoa! That's why that's better. Yes. Okay, so
check.
Gave me a bit of almost equality here. Yeah, it's just the time now. Okay, yeah, I've reached equality at move 46. 000. Comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks very much.